Hi, Jasmine. Let's do this. I was hoping you'd say that. Check this out. I've got so much slime. This is gonna be fun. It's so gooey. Time for sprinkles. Now I need to get my hands dirty. I'm looking forward to this. It feels really weird. But I love it. I'll fold it over. Then give it a squeeze. Wow, this is amazing. I could do this all day. What? Are you kidding me? This is so unfair. I wish I had slime. I've just got an empty candy wrapper. Wait, what's this? It's a marshmallow. Whoa, did you see that? I know what to do. I'll squirt cream into a bowl. That should do it. Then I'll add marshmallows. These love hearts will make it cute. Next, I need a hairdryer. This'll heat things up. Now I'll get my hands in there. It's so squishy. Wow, this is blowing my mind. And it tastes fantastic. What is that? Wait, I can't eat this.
So the electrons circle the protons.
Wait, this is an art class? Hey, how's it going?
Did I miss anything? Meh, I'll just catch up.
I suppose I better take notes.
This is important. It'll be in the exam. Okay, I know what to do. I'll need something special. This is my fancy tape. It's for special occasions. It's pretty, huh? I'll tear off a strip. Then I'll stick it to my notebook. I'll put it right here. Now I can make notes. This way I'll remember. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? It's okay to be jealous.
Wow! So cool! But I've got tape, too. I'll just use my nails. Ugh, this is so hard!
You can use this.
No, I've got tape!
Wow, you need to relax. Hey, I have an idea.
What do you mean?
Look down there.
What are you talking about? Oh, the scissors! Why didn't I think of that? These will solve everything. Let's get to work. I'll need some paper. Time to start cutting. I'll make a cut along here. But I'm not finished. I'll need to make a diamond shape. Now I need to fold it. Luckily, I'm an origami master. Next, I need a pen. I'll start to color it. This will be my tape dispenser. I'll draw some patterns. Next, I'll take a strip of tape. I'll place it inside the dispenser. I'll thread it in here. This is just what I need. It's perfect! And that's it! Wow, look at that action! Now I can finish my notes. There! Now I know this is important. I love it. I'm so happy! Put it there!
Oh, teacher's talking. You just missed the important part of the lesson.
Whoa! Look at those bubbles! Wow, they're so pretty. This is magical. It's the best class ever. Wait, they're gone. Aw, now I'm sad. I'm so confused. Wait, I have an idea. Oh, Butler.
Yes, ma'am.
We want bubbles. What are you waiting for?
This won't take long. Bubbles. Aha! This is what I need. This looks fun. What a cute duck. I'll take it. My work here is done.
Hurry up.
Your bubbles, ma'am. Quack, quack.
Oh, wow. This is wonderful. Wow. Let's make bubbles. Wow, it's better than I thought. Oh, can I try it? What? No. Get your own. That's so mean. Oh, I know. I can use these. They're perfect. I have an idea. I'll open up the bubbles. I'll add them to a jug. That should do it. Now I need the spring. I'll dip it into the bubble mixture. Next, I need a straw. Here goes. I'll lift the spring out of the bubbles. I'll blow through the straw. Then the magic happens. Wow! Look at that! It's so cool! Look at it go! It's moving up the spring. Now I can pop it. That was amazing! Huh? What'd you say? Hey! I want to try it! No. What? Really? How about now? Oh, okay. It's all yours. I hope you like it. Gimme, gimme. Let me help you. Whoa!
Next question is on the board. Get to work.
You've got it.
I don't think so. Huh? That's the bell. Class is over. Time for a break.
Phew. I need this. Am I right?
Don't touch me. Look at my pencil case. It's the latest technology. It keeps everything safe. Pretty neat, isn't it? I better pack these up. There's space for everything. In it goes. There's even a mirror. Now I can close it over. Everything's where it needs to be. What do you think?
Wow! That's amazing! I wish I had something like that. I just use a hairband. It's pretty basic.
Oh, honey. That's pretty tragic. I need help here. Wait, I have an idea. I can use this cardboard. This will solve all her problems. I'll need scissors. Here goes. Wow, that didn't take long. Sometimes I surprise myself. Hey, this is for you.
Wow, it's a pencil case! Huh? It won't open. I think it's broken.
No, you need a code. Give it a try.
A code? Really? Okay, I'll give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Open sesame! Whoa, I did it! I can put my pencils inside. There's even a sharpener. It's fabulous! It's got everything I need. Oh, I better empty this. I love it. I feel so fancy. Thank you!
Don't mention it.
Woohoo! Wait a minute. I'm forgetting something. It's Molly's birthday. I need to do something for her. Luckily, I planned everything out. This should be easy enough. I better make a call. Hello? I need your help. Okay, bye. Now I wait. Whoa, what a cake. It looks good. That's one thing I can cross off my list. Cake, done. What's next? Ah, the party supplies. Shopping time! This is perfect! There's so much to choose from. Ooh, this is pretty. We'll need cups. This is going well. The decor is done. And now for the important thing. The present! What does Molly like? My favorite animals are dolphins. They're just so cute. Oh, I love them. Dolphins, huh? That'll do. I'm looking for a dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay.
This is gonna be so special! I think it's ready! What's going on out there? Hello? Who's there? I better investigate. Happy birthday! What a surprise! Wow, what a cake! And a party hat? Don't forget a gift! You shouldn't have! This is so kind! It's so exciting! Whoa! A dolphin! How did you know? I'm gonna paint it. It'll be adorable. I've only got the tail to go. How does it look? It's a work of art! This is the best birthday ever! Thanks, Jasmine. Anytime, bestie.
It's so warm.
Wearing a sweater was a bad choice.
I'm sweating so much. This is not a good look. It's like being in a shower.
Molly? What's that smell? It stings my eyes. Ugh.
What are you doing? Stop messing around.
Hey, look at that!
That's not good.
I know!
Oh, it's far too hot.
Wait a second. I have an idea. I can use this. It'll solve everything. It's a fan. Oh, yeah, that's more like it.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Hang on.
Phew, what a relief.
I know what to do. I can make my own fan. I'll need a piece of paper. I'll start to fold it, just like this. Now I'll bunch it up. But I'm not finished. I'll need a tube of card. I'll place the paper inside it. Next I'll need a piece of felt. I'll roll it up. I'll make sure it's nice and tight. I'll slide it over the tube. Then the magic happens. Pretty neat, huh? Or should I say, cool. Wow. Let's try it out. Here goes. This is gonna be great. What do you think?
Wow, nice job. Oh no, my fan! It's an emergency! Ah! What'll I do?
Uh-oh. That doesn't look good.
Ah, my clothes! Nobody look! Cover your eyes!
Ooh, well, that's embarrassing.
I need to hide my shame.
I saw nothing.
I'll put this right here. It's looking good. Where are my guests? They should be here. This can't be happening. Yikes. I need a wash. I stink. What's going on over there? This is the worst. I need a closer look. I can't believe this. Hey, why the sad face? Are you okay? Isn't it obvious? It's supposed to be a party. Whatever. Can I use your shower? I smell real bad. Sure, why not? I don't care. Wow, that actually worked. You're the best. Wow, my skin will be glowing. Wait a second. Why? I should cheer her up. But how? Wait, I have an idea. I'll need a plastic bag. Then I'll grab foam soap. I'll squirt it into the bag. That should do it. Now I'll switch colors. I'll fill the bag up. This'll be amazing. That should do it. Hey, this is for you. I hope you like it. What is it? You'll need this. Here you go. I'm so confused. Wait, I get it. I'll use it to poke holes in the bag. I'll make a pattern. I think I'm done. Now I can squeeze the bag. The foam will come out the holes. Then I can wipe it away. I want to do it again. This is the best. It's so much fun. Thanks so much. I'm gonna squeeze it real hard. Whoa! What the? Okay, that was too hard. Sorry about that. I thought it was great. Here's more foam. Hey, don't do that. Can I have a soda? Cheers!
Take that!
Is that the best you've got?
Bring it on!
I'm going down!
What are you doing? Are you kidding me? I guess our fun is over. Pick this mess up!
It was good while it lasted. Wow, that's a lot of paper.
Where's the trash can?
This is a problem. Wait! I've got it! Check this out. I'll need a paper shredder. I'll put the scraps into it. I'll give the handle a turn. It's working! It's making thin strips. This is fun. Now they can go in the trash. But it's no ordinary garbage can. In it goes. My work here is done. Over to you.
I don't have anything like that. Hey, look at that. A piece of cardboard. This might come in handy. I'll fold the cardboard like this. I'll make a tube. Now I'll need a glue gun. I'll apply glue around the edge. I'll put a circle of cardboard on top. Now I'll cut a square of cardboard. I've made a cut in the tube. The rectangle can go in there. I'll give it a press. The lid should open up. It works! Wow, I made a bin. This is amazing. I'll put it right here. I've got somewhere to put my trash. But I have a better idea. Trick shot! Let's do this. Woo! You can do this! Check this out. Let's take it up a level. Ow! Too ambitious. It's game time. Go, go, go! Focus. I can't miss. I'm so nervous. This is it! Yes! I'm the greatest!
Unbelievable!
Whoa! Whoa! Wait, what the? Well, this is awkward. Let's start the lesson.
That's so funny!
I'm serious.
Hey, look at that!
Are you kidding me?
It's the teacher's birthday!
She didn't tell us.
Wait, I think I remember.
Wait, this is a flashback sequence?
This is a special date! It's my birthday! Oops, my bad. It slipped my mind.
What are we gonna do?
I'm all out of ideas. Hang on. Does anyone have the time? Anyone? That's it!
Wow, I like your thinking. Let's do this. I'll need to cut the cardboard. I need to make a frame. Just like this. Now I'll stack them up. Next, I'll need tape. This will hold them together. I'll need another piece of cardboard. I'll run glue over it. I'll stick the other part to it. I made some numbers and months. I'll loop tape through them. It'll hang on the frame. It's looking good. I'll flip to the teacher's birthday. Wow, this is amazing. What do you think?
Wow, a calendar. Nice. I need your help. Wow, this is perfect. It's a clock. Just what the teacher needs. Here she comes. Where is everyone? Happy birthday! Oh, it's you. What a lovely surprise. We got you gifts. What? These are for me? I don't believe it. That's so sweet. You deserve it. You're the best students.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's begin, class. Thanks, teacher. Let me see that. Are you kidding me? Butler, move it.
Your supplies, ma'am.
Now that's service. I'll use this brush. I have an idea.
What the?
You'll make a better canvas. Lightly dab the brush. Remember, less is more.
No, please don't.
Quit moving.
That tickles.
I better get started. That looks awful. What am I gonna do? Whoa, slime. Maybe I can use this. It's so gooey. I have an idea. Yeah, this might work. Really highlight the features. You got it, teacher. Let's do this. This is fun. I'll add these to the slime. We'll need long lashes. Now for the makeup. I'll add a little powder. Don't forget the contouring. Ah, of course. Wow, it's a masterpiece. Whoa, that's, interesting.
It's humiliating. This isn't part of the job.
You look fantastic. Is that potato? I've got nothing to worry about. Don't be mean. I worked hard on this. It's coming off. Hold on. I know what to do. Yeah, this'll work. I'll fold the sign, just like this. I know, it looks like a mess. It's all part of the plan. There's one more thing. Hey! Are you talking to me? What is it? You need to see this. It's watching you. Ew! That's disgusting! Get rid of that! It's for you. Stop it! Wow, she's so scared. Look at her.
Wow, she's gone. Oh, thanks for that.
Anytime.
So now what?
I guess class is over.